This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and a name that fits Facebook's guidelines before you start. Once you're ready, open the page on desktop or business suite. Mobile can hide options. Navigate directly to settings, then page info or edit page info. Don't linger in the profile view. Enter the basic details area so you can change the display name. This first step moves you into the editable fields and prevents later denials caused by role or formatting mistakes. Now click the name field and type the new page name carefully. Facebook enforces a 75-character-ish limit and blocks certain words. Once done, make sure spacing, capitalization, and punctuation reflect your brand. Small differences reduce rejection risk. Submit the change request and include a brief reason if prompted. Facebook uses that to verify intent. Make incremental edits if you've changed names frequently. Radical shifts trigger extra. After submission, you'll see a confirmation and a waiting period. Monitor notifications and the support inbox for status. If Facebook approves, the new name goes live. If rejected, they explain why and you can appeal with documents proving legitimacy. When things go wrong, clear your browser cache, switch to Business Suite or another admin account, and try a subtler change instead of a complete rebrand. That troubleshooting tip often bypasses validation errors tied to formatting or account glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.